Hello, welcome to the Z-Weave tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create a ribbon in Z-Weave and drape it onto a dress. First, select the rectangle tool from 2D Action toolbar. Use it to draw the section for the ribbon's tie and the adjoining area where the ribbon will connect. Next, sew those sections together to form the ribbon tie. Then, in the 3D view, use the gizmo to position the pattern correctly and secure it with a pin. Adjust the custom mesh quality settings to accentuate the volume of the ribbon's tie portion. Use the rectangle tool again to draw the pattern for one loop. Switch to the deform tool and bend the rectangular pattern into a curved circular shape. Mirror the loop pattern to create the opposite side. Finally, sew the two loops together at the knot area. Finally, create the ribbon tail pattern, sew it to the knot, and then adjust the tail length to your liking. Adjust the fabric properties as needed. Pinch the pattern to drape it, secure it with pins, then save it to the draping board. And save the ZLS file. Now it's time to append the pre-made dress ZLS file. Load the dress draping board, hold the dress pattern, and then append the ribbon draping board. Sew the ribbon's connecting section to the dress's collar. Now, adjust the placement of the ribbon pattern . Then uncheck the pin's Enable option. During simulation, use pinching and pins to drape the ribbon into your desired shape. Uncheck the Hold on all patterns, then adjust the ribbon's fabric thickness and apply visual fabric settings. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the process, please leave a comment below.